like past 10 o'clock.
No, 10:30.
It's almost 10:30 and you're still awake. You pulled your socks off.
Feels like every other night.
It's not funny. You need to go to sleep. Quit kicking. You just like the noise it makes. It's time for night. It's time for night. Where's your other sock? How come you only have one? Alright, you were going to bed whether you like it or not. You're going to bed. You're a stinker.